Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Keith. Just wanted to do a real quick view, or I guess tutorial rather, of how to add links from your Facebook post comment that you made to the All or Nothing Challenge sheet, Google Sheet. So the first thing you need to do is come to the designated post for the day and make your post. So let's say, for example, I am on Team Resilience, which is Giovanni's team. Well, so Giovanna's team, excuse me. So here you go, Giovanna Navarro. So all you need to do is, you can see Danielle here has made her post. You just need to go up here to this little thing right here called a timestamp. And every post and every comment has a timestamp on it. And what it is an actual link that is very specific to only this comment. So all you need to do at this point is right click on it, and then it'll give you some menu options here. You just copy the link address, like copy link address. So since I've done that, now the computer has copied the link that was inside of this timestamp into the memory. If you want to see what this looks like without it, you could just open it in a new tab, and it'll just go right to that comment. Let's see, there you go. So see, it came all the way down to Danielle's comment underneath Giovanna's. So anyway, the way that you get it in your sheet is, once you have the link copied in, you just come over to your list here, and this was for, who's it, Danielle. You find your participant's name. In this case, it's Danielle. Let me move this over a little bit. Say Danielle, and then you right click on that field inside of the Google Sheet and select Insert Link. Once you select Insert Link, a pop-up comes up, and it automatically is going to have the field for the link highlighted. So all you got to do is paste it in by doing Control V on your keyboard, or you could just right click and then select paste. And that's the link that we copied. You could even see where it says, oh, here's the comment ID. It was a reply. But what you also want to do is add in a text link, text or word that's understandable to you. So at one point, my team, we did something like done. That's it. So this here will be the text that will be used to identify that, okay, you've done the challenge. And that's it. You have your text in, you have the link from the comment, you just click apply, and it shows up here. Now going forward, whenever you hover over this, all you got to do is it'll show you a link display, and you just click on the link display there, and it'll pop up in a new window, and it'll go right to that link. All right, I hope that helps. Thank you very much. Let me know if you have any other questions.